The cabin air filter in the 2018-2021 Lincoln Navigator is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. To access it, start by emptying the glove box completely. Then, release the glove box stops, typically by squeezing the tabs on the sides. This allows the glove box to fully lower. You'll then see the filter housing cover, secured by screws or clips. Remove these fasteners to expose the cabin air filter. No special tools are needed. A screwdriver or trim removal tool is usually sufficient. With the housing cover removed, pull out the old filter. Note its orientation. The airflow direction is usually marked on the filter with arrows or text. Insert the new filter, ensuring it fits correctly. Standard dimensions are approximately 9.5 inches by 8.5 inches by 1.5 inches. Reassemble the housing cover, glove box, and test the AC system to ensure proper airflow. Experts recommend replacing the filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or annually, depending on driving conditions. A clogged filter shows symptoms like reduced airflow, musty odors, or window fogging.